Man, I just got off work. I heard about this little car show thing going on. It's Strouds Auto Supply's Customer Appreciation Day. Supposedly they have these once a year. It's pretty neat. Some old antique motors. Look at this old dinosaur Jack Star liquor, 1952 cents. It's actually in Haltom City. Pretty interesting cars here. Six banger. $292. Kind of like to see this thing run someday. Look at those Kragers, they're nice. I've always liked those Falcons at 64. This 57 Chevy here, the red one, I welded a top on it. I did a lot of work to it. I didn't do that paint job though. I haven't even looked around this place. I hope the wind noise is not too much. My friend Jim, he knows this 57 convertible. Very nice car. I thought I'd park mine here to make it look good. Jim's car, that is. This old Ford, I believe it's one that came to the wrecking yard whenever I worked there at the buying and selling cars to the wrecking yard. It's just a four-door, but it was a real low-mileage car that had been sitting, I believe, since 1969. It's really interesting. Once again, I've been working so much overtime, I haven't had a chance to really do anything to my cars. This thing is really neat. I like this show because I fell in love with these cars and the old car hot rodding hobby back in the mid to late 70s. This was a typical show. This is what we had. Speaking of that era, look at this. God, I don't know whose that is. It sure is neat. Oh yeah, big, no, it's small block. '65 Super Sport seats in it.
Yeah, there's a light.
Sometimes they go, get all the paint and they go up like this.
Man, it's nice. It's good to be able to make a video again. I hope to get this uploaded to YouTube. God, I'm sorry that I've just about ignored YouTube. I mean, I care about all my friends and fans, but life's just keeps getting busier and busier. I ain't even been able to write back to some of you people and feel bad about that. But I sure thank you for watching. One day maybe I'll get more time to stay on top of it better. If nothing else, build cars again. That's me. Thanks for watching.